How to update Microsoft 365 apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to update your Microsoft 365 apps because update option is available right on the app. So it's the same for every app. You can just go to the app and update it. You can do the same with Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Right now, I'll show you in PowerPoint. You just need to open it up and then you need to go to the File option in the top left. Now, you need to head over to Account, that is above Options at the bottom. Now you can see update options, tap on it and then tap on update now. And then if update is available, then your Microsoft 365 app will start updating. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.